Everybody, just wanted to show a very quick video because I found this in the depths of Reddit and it actually saved my life. Let's say you have a lockbox. When you enter your password, for me it is 4846. Here we go. And when you go to push it, it won't come on because it's stuck because you put too much in there. Literally all you need to do is push it down, enter the password, and this works on the digital versions as well. So again, 4846. All right, that's my password. Just push it down, enter it, and then it comes undone, even if it's locked. All you need to do is push instead of trying to pull. All right, that's it.